back at you. It's Jennifer Bryan again, my grandson Ezra, and so we're going to the airport. We're going to go pick up Pop in a moment. Okay, so third lesson, another great lesson in Arkansas history, which that is what I taught for many, many years. So I was in my element. This was fabulous. There was a group of 5 kids, and so she gave them a picture to look at, and they had to look at the picture, and then one first kid looked at it, and then that kid would pass it to the next, and they had to try to guess what it was. It was a battlefield picture, and so as they were rotating the picture, they would add to the story of the battlefield or what was happening or what they thought was happening at the time. It was an excellent lesson, very engaging, and made them really think and study the picture and just kind of figure out. Well, what's so great about this kind of lesson is you have 5 kids, and each with different backgrounds, and so you're going to have different answers, and it's so exciting to watch them just share what they thought they were seeing. So that was fabulous.
That was a good idea?
Yes.
Okay.
Definitely brought the kids in. Definitely brought them in. So, because Arkansas history is not always fun. Let me say that. And so, anyway.
It's my favorite.
Great. As far as no behavioral issues whatsoever. And then she introduced vocabulary, and so not as fun for Arkansas history as well, but she made it engaging. Jennifer put the vocab word up on the screen, and they had to read it in a sentence and try to almost guess again what that vocabulary word meant, and just by the context clues. And then she had them define the word, and then they had to use the word in their own sentence, which was great. As far as checking for understanding, I think checking for understanding is just we're going to the airport in a second. Anyway, checking for understanding was great because she was getting verbal feedback from them, and she was able to also, correct, or not correct, but just help them get a more understanding of these vocabulary words. Anyway, I'm rambling, I'm sorry. And so,
you're fine.
And then she shared an article towards the end of the lesson, which was great. And as far as checking for understanding with that as well, she with their written response, she read the article. There was a series of questions, and they had to answer the correct question. Great lesson, and very engaging, and just great teaching.
Thank you.